Right, it's Sunday morning and we're going to have a go at making some fresh cinnamon rolls. Well, they ain't fresh, it's from a packet, look. Yeah. And we're going to cook it in our double skillet, which hopefully will work like an oven. It's been pretty good so far. So when Helen has finally worked out how to get a roll out of a tube, Great British box off. And I thought GBBO stood for something else. Oh, we'll see what happens later. Ooh, look at that.
Smells nice.
Smells nice. Well, they've taken a while, but they're actually looking pretty good. I'll tell you how they taste in a minute. Go on,
I'm just going to give them a drizzle. Oh, that looks a bit wrong. There we go.
Right, come back for the tasting.
They do smell good, don't they?
They do smell really good, yeah. Well, it's not bad what you can bake on a 3-ring oven.
Oh, it's the double skillet.
Double skillet, way forward. So how are you finding them?
They're really nice, very light, lovely and sweet. Just what you need on a Sunday morning.
What do you think, Buff? Oh, cinnamon.
Oh, it's mean.
Right, Sunday morning. Had a bit of breakfast. We've come to the village of Blaye. It's the centre of this part of the wine growing region of Bordeaux. Oh. Still don't know where she's going.
I don't know where I am.
And it's got a very big citadel, a proper star fort, 18th century, maybe 17th. We'll go and have a look. And then we might even have a little wander around the town if it's quiet. Can't imagine there's going to be a lot open other than your bakers, but we'll see. Built to protect France's largest estuary. Classic star fort, low walls, big gaps, interlocking arcs of fire. You wouldn't want to be a defender coming across here. It's narrow, it's uphill. People shooting at you from the front, people shooting at you from the sides. And if you've pushed through and not taken the fortification behind you, they're shooting you from behind. Interlocking arcs of fire. Right, just coming through the main gateway. There's a lot to it. Main gate, portcullis, second roof for portcullis, murder rolls, and then a third entrance coming up here. Would have been gated. Hinges still there for the gates, and you're into the main area where all the officers' quarters and everything. It looks like it's been converted to shops and little cafes. That's nice. Always not far away from a Frenchman's fort. They've managed to find room to grow some vines on the old bastion. But it's a commanding view over the River Gironde. The island there also had a fort on it when range of the cannons was short, and there's another fort on the far side.
It's certainly fast flowing, that water.
It's tidal.
Yeah.
Yeah. You'd have had a hard job sailing down there. Well, it must be a thing that when you come to a French citadel that they have goats grazing on the walls. Luckily Buffy can't see these ones because there's quite a steep wall defending them against the attack of the English dog.
We've just been to the town of Blaye, which was really pretty. We went up the citadel, as I'm sure you'll have seen, and we're now driving down. It's a little bit showery. I'm just cleaning the windscreen. So yeah, there's a little bit of drizzle, but we're heading down towards the sea, and we're going to the biggest sand dune in Europe. Lots and lots of vines, but you can't see them because of the rain, probably.
There's a big wine bottle.
Huge wine bottle.
Might just do
That'll
you.
do me for the afternoon.
Chateau Lachey. I don't know how long they'd be on a Sunday morning.
I really don't know, because while we were in the town, there weren't many shops open, just the patisserie and the boulangerie, and then there was a little man making walking sticks, and he was just sat by the harbour, and then a little market stall opened, and they were selling oysters and all sorts of seafood. So more to be explored today.
Right, here we are at the Dune de Pilat, which is the tallest sand dune in Europe, and it's just tantalising us with its view through the trees. So hopefully when we break out, the view will be something more to see. Apologies for the mask, but they're asking for them to be worn.
What the mask obligé?
Well, they're not wrong. That is a big sand dune. A great big sand dune. And she's not going to manage. If she gets lost in here, we'll never find her. She's the same colour as it. Buffy. Right. So we'll press on towards the top and report back when we've got a little bit more breath.
Yeah.
Here we are at the top of the dune, gazing out to where it meets the sea. That's a long way down. You can just make somebody out on the walk along the beach front. Got the islands beyond, and it does seem to go for quite a distance.
I'll give you the keys.
Right, well, we got to the top and the rain is coming in, and Helen is refusing to run down the bank like everybody else does. But
yeah, like loads of people are, yeah?
yeah, I'm going to do it.
Okay. Well, you go and film yourself. Do you want the keys?
No, I'm going to wait for you at the bottom.
Okay, sure.
So, well, shall we go for it? Oh wow, it's still going when it's wet. I need to get fitter. But I'm down. There's Helen waving all the way up there.